Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about cervical cancer, a type of cancer that affects the cervix, the lower part of the uterus that connects to the vagina. It's a very serious condition that can have serious consequences if not detected early. In this video, we will discuss the warning signs of cervical cancer that you should be aware of. The first warning sign of cervical cancer is abnormal vaginal bleeding. This can occur between periods, after sex, or after menopause. If you notice any unusual vaginal bleeding, it's important to see your healthcare provider immediately. The second warning sign is pelvic pain, which can occur during sex or at other times. This pain can be a sign of an infection or other condition, but it's also a common symptom of cervical cancer. The third warning sign is unusual vaginal discharge that may be watery, thick, or have a foul odor. This discharge may be a sign of an infection, but it can also be a sign of cervical cancer. The fourth warning sign is pain during urination or bowel movements. This pain can be a sign of a urinary tract infection or other conditions, but it can also be a sign of cervical cancer. The fifth warning sign is a pain in the legs, back, or pelvis. This pain can be a sign that cancer has spread to other parts of the body. It's important to remember that these warning signs can also be symptoms of other conditions, and not all women with cervical cancer will experience them. However, if you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to see your healthcare provider as soon as possible. Cervical cancer is usually caused by the human papillomavirus, HPV, a common sexually transmitted infection. Other risk factors include smoking, a weakened immune system, and a family history of cervical cancer. To prevent cervical cancer, it's important to get regular cervical cancer screenings, also known as Pap tests. These tests can detect abnormal cells before they turn into cancer, and they can also detect cancer in its early stages when it's most treatable. In conclusion, cervical cancer is a serious condition that can have serious consequences if not detected early. If you experience any of the warning signs we discussed today, please see your healthcare provider immediately. And remember, regular cervical cancer screenings can help prevent cervical cancer and save lives. Thank you for watching.